From this video, you will get tips to prepare for LPIC-3 High Availability and Storage Clusters 306 to 300 exam and share free practice exams. About the LPIC-3 High Availability and Storage Clusters exam. Prerequisites. (306 to 300 exam details). Key topics covered in the exam. Study tips. (1) Which of the following situations can result in a split brain situation in a high availability cluster? A. The load balancer of a load-balanced cluster fails. B. The communication between the cluster nodes is interrupted. C. Cluster services are moved between cluster nodes. D. More than one node is active in a load-balanced cluster. E. A cluster node has successfully been fenced. Answer: B. 2. What is the purpose of configuring high-availability aspects of cluster FS? A. To prevent unauthorized access to storage volumes. B. To ensure continuous availability of storage services. C. To optimize storage performance for specific workloads. D. To enable replication of data across multiple storage nodes. Answer: B. 3. Which of the following statements is true about clustered file systems? A. They are only used for distributed file storage. B. They cannot be maintained and troubleshooted. C. They provide concurrent access to shared file systems in a cluster. D. They are limited to specific Linux distributions. Answer: C. 4. What is the purpose of MDADM monitoring and reporting? A. To track the CPU usage of the RAID devices. B. To monitor the temperature of the RAID disks. C. To receive notifications about RAID array failures. D. To optimize the performance of the RAID array. Answer: C. 5. What is the purpose of RSTP, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol, in switch configuration for high availability? A. To provide load balancing across multiple network interfaces. B. To ensure redundancy and quick recovery in case of network failures. C. To manage VLANs and network segmentation. D. RSTP is not related to switch configuration. Answer: B. 6. What is the purpose of ACLs, access control lists, in the context of load-balanced clusters? A. Load balancing algorithm selection. B. Backend server configuration. C. IP address failover. D. Implementing access control rules. Answer: D. 7. What is the purpose of a storage area network, SAN? A. To provide network connectivity for servers. B. To store and retrieve data from remote block storage devices. C. To connect multiple servers together in a cluster. D. To manage file systems on distributed storage. Answer: B. 8. What is GNFS in the context of GlusterFS? A. A command line utility for managing GlusterFS clusters. B. A network protocol used for communication between GlusterFS peers. C. A high-level programming interface for developing GlusterFS applications. D. An encryption mechanism for securing data in GlusterFS volumes. Answer: B. 9. Which type of cluster architecture is designed for high scalability and performance by distributing workloads across multiple nodes? A. Active, passive cluster. B. Active, active cluster. C. Failover cluster. D. Load balanced cluster. Answer: D. 10. What is the purpose of GlusterFS in a high-availability distributed storage system? A. To manage network security for storage clusters. B. To provide load balancing for web applications. C. To enable data replication and fault tolerance. D. To optimize storage performance in virtualized environments. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.